This section shows you how easy it is to install and license Project Parking from Marquis. Firstly, the minimum requirements for using Project Parking are a Windows Avid Workstation PC or other workstation with connections to the Avid Media or shared storage. As Project Parking is an intermediary to all shared storage, it is important to either have a dual 1GB or 10GB Ethernet card to ensure fast transfers. Marquis works with a variety of storage partners both natively and directly, and examples being Cache, Crossroads, Disk Archive Corporation, and many more. Upon purchasing or evaluating Project Parking, Marquis will provide an installer via FTP. To install the application, double-click the installer to start the installation process. Press Next. Read and agree to the user license agreement. Press Next again. You only need to install Project Parking normally, but you do have the option to install various plugins for native access to Object Matrix from Porch Digital and Sohonet. The remote cache server and floating license server are only needed for multiple installations. The storage analysis migrator is used to migrate 3.6 and earlier storage analysis databases to the latest format. Press Next and install. Once completed, we can now start Project Parking for the first time. As soon as Project Parking starts, it will report that it doesn't have a license. Select the license at marquisbroadcast.com and this will send an email containing the host ID to Marquis requesting a license. Once the license file has been received, save on the desktop and press the Import License button. Navigate to the desktop where you have saved the license, and as soon as you have imported it, Project Parking will report that it is now licensed. Press OK and now you are ready to use Project Parking. It is recommended that you next configure Project Parking to ensure the application is aware of all project, workspace and archive locations. This can be done using the configuration button, which is explained in the configuration section. During this section we showed how to install the application, how to install the license and start Project Parking for the first time.